Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Height difference is crazy. Hey, what's up, you guys? We're going to Rainforest Cafe. Okay, right now I'm talking to myself. Hi. We are in the Planet Hollywood Casino, or the Miracle Mile area. We're trying to find rainforest. Yeah. After walking 2 miles, we finally found it. I don't know if it was actually 2 miles, so I'm just exaggerating.
Look at Rainforest Cafe.
The lion sleeps tonight.
Pakoy? Bakla na pakoy. No.
You got the frosty. Picture of that dog. What dog?
Insert picture here. In front of Rice Face.
Do you guys know the Spud Bros? You know them. Come on.
Oh, who?
The Spud Bros.
What?
You know the Spud Bros.
Spud?
You know who they
Spud?
are. You know who they are. Yeah.
Spud?
Huh? The Spud Bros? Do you know what Spud means? You don't know the Spud Bros? Do you live under a rock somewhere? Everyone knows who the Spud Bros are.
From SpongeBob? Okay, who's the
Spud Bros?
Who's the Spud Bro?
They're the guys that make Spud.
Where did you start?
They make spuds.
Okay.
I don't even know what a spud is, so why would I know
It's
that?
a potato.
Rawr. Rawr. Snake. Snake. These are so cute, actually.
It looks like dad. Your dad or mine?
Oh my god, it does look like your dad or mine. That man is terrifying.
Oh.
That one. Selling jacks. Look, they're selling jacks. Fruity. Okay, apparently she's a woman and she talks. It's kind of scaring me. It's still staring at me, bro, from far away. I wore these pants strategically because I thought they matched the vibe. Rings. Care Bears. I played this Roblox game that was like Care Bears lore. Oh my god, look at it. Why does it look like that? What does a milk coma mean? Hey, our table's ready. Here in the jungle. You know, like the Australian. Okay, sorry. Oh my god, the monkey sweetie, bro. Waiter said we're in a cave. What cave animals would we be? Like bats, spiders?
I'm an elephant monkey.
Oh, I'm the big ass butterfly that's behind
It
here.
is so scary. You're the tree.
I'm so scared right now. Are you singing the Chevrolet song? And you can see a monkey. What's a monkey's name? What's a monkey's name? Banana. That's me. Table.
Sounds like a town.
Where's your drink?
You didn't give it to me.
Do it again, I missed my mouth. Forgot to vlog the food, sorry, but I'll show you what is left over. Use the elephant in the room. We got this leftover fish with no curry on it. Cheese curds. My mole. We finished our food. We're taking a lap around the restaurant just to see everything. Look at the bird. Look at this. Ready to rock and roll.
Is that your new boyfriend? Your new man. Come up. Oh. Yeah.
say?
I said it looks just like you. That's what I said.
You can't even see it because the light, bro.
There's a monkey head up there. That's all you need to know.
Monkey head and it looks like me. Oh, oh! Sorry. And she's staring directly at me. What?
This one? Look. I got the dang camera.
You got one. She's scaring me still. A rainforest cafe. We're leaving the Miracle Mile shops now. Bye-bye.